In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a party with your connections on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing before you start a party is to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. Once you're inside your account, now head over to this option called Party and go ahead and tap on it. Here we have an option to either start party or communities, and you'll also be able to see some of your connections here. To start a party, go ahead and tap on start a party, and this will help us either start or even join experiences together. So if I tap on this, now I'll have to choose the connections that I'll wish to join the experience. Go ahead and tap or select on all the connections that you wish to start that party with. So once you have selected all the connections you wish to join the party, go ahead and tap on start to launch the party. So I'll go ahead and tap on start, and this will go ahead and send an invitation to this connection. And as you can see, party started with 0 active. So whenever they join, I'll be able to see those who have joined. So that's how you can start a party in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.